Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually it is very simple, because all you have to do is simply open the recent, and you can do it by swiping your finger up very gently, just like that. You have to hold it somewhere here, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened apps. If you'd like to turn off only one of it, then find it, for example the dialer, and swipe it up just like that. It's quite easy. But if you'd like to close all of them, then you have to go to the very left until you will find the clear all option and tap on it. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents again. And as you can see here, we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.